ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ದ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಾ ಬುಕ್? Okay, guys, shall we start the class? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Online students, good morning. Very, very good morning. Okay. So, Yusuf is not there. Today we are starting his very favorite topic, boats. Not goats. Boats. B-O-A-T-S. So, in today's aptitude class, we will learn something about boats and you will learn something about boats and streams. Online students listening. Offline students are very active. Online students are hyperactive. Okay, shall I start? Online students, please do reply in the chat box. Okay. In this boats and streams. In this boats and streams, you have 4 types of speeds. In this boats and streams, you have 4 types of speeds. 4 types of speeds. So what are those 4 types of speeds is, the first one, is it visible? Shall I on the lights? Okay. So today's topic in aptitude is boats and streams. In this boats and streams, you have 4 types of speeds. In this boats and streams, you have 4 types of speed. Okay. So what are the different types of speed? The first one is, guys, listen. The first one is speed of a man. Speed of a man, or speed of boat. Speed of a man or speed of boat in still water. In still water. That is nothing but m kilometers per hour. Guys, Yusuf, where is Yusuf? He didn't come. Okay. Okay, guys, see here. In this boats and streams, you have 4 types of speeds. Guys, listen, please. The topic in aptitude today is boats and streams. In this boats and streams, you have 4 types of speed. In this boats and streams, you have 4 types of speeds. So, the very first type of speed, in the question, they may give the speed of a man is some kilometers. You will get to know the question. So, the first type of speed is the speed of a man or speed of a boat in still water. Guys, this will be your key points. Okay. In still water, you will take it as m kilometers per hour. You will take it as m kilometers per hour. Whichever you want, you take. For me, m is easy, so I have taken m. Okay. Yes. Yes or no? So then the second type of speed is speed of water or current speed of water or speed of water or current speed of water or speed of the stream or rate of flow is equal to s kilometers per hour. So if they say the speed of water or the current speed of water or the current stream speed of water or the current rate of flow of water or river or jog falls, whichever you take, that is nothing but s kilometers per hour. So here the what do you say? The key point here on the first one was still water. If they say anything in still water, you will take it as m kilometers per hour. If they give something in current speed of water or stream of water or rate of flow, whenever you see any of these words, this is nothing but s kilometers per. Clear? Done till here? Next one, take down. The next one is, the next type of speed is, the next type of speed is speed. The next type of speed is speed of man or speed of boat, speed of man or speed of boat along the water, speed of man or speed of boat along the water, or Yusuf, their favorite topic, or downstream, or downstream. Downstream is nothing but ds. Okay, downstream is nothing but ds. So you will take this as m plus s kilometers per hour. M plus s kilometers per hour. Where did this Yusuf go? Back. Okay. The next one, the next type of speed is speed of man or speed of boat, speed of man or speed of boat against water, or upstream, that is nothing but US andre United States alla. This is nothing but m minus s kilometers per hour. Guys, listen, please. So what are the different types of speeds you have in boats and streams? The first one is either they will ask the speed of a man. If they give speed of a man or speed of a boat in still water, then you will take m kilometers per hour. Okay. If suppose they give speed of water in current speed or stream of the speed or then or rate of flow. You see any three words in this, then you will take s kilometers per hour. Clear? Next, you have another type of speed that is nothing but the speed of a man or speed of a boat along the water or downstream. Then you will take m plus s kilometers per hour. If they give upstream, that is nothing but m minus s kilometers per hour. Clear? Using this 4 speeds only, you will be calculating the problems on boats and streams. Clear? Clear? Everyone who is still writing? Who is still writing? Write soon. Online students, clear? So what is for the first one, the keyword was still water. For the second one, it is current, stream or rate of flow. For the third one, you have along water or downstream. Along water means also the same. Downstream also same. This one is against the water and this is upstream. So that is nothing but m minus s kilometers per hour. Clear? Done till here? Any doubt? Now, if they ask downstream plus upstream. If they ask ds downstream plus upstream, then how will it be? What is downstream formula? M plus S plus M minus S. So now, wait. Now S and S will get cancelled. M plus M is 2m? Yes or no? So now, if I divide this by 2, you will get m. M is nothing but still water. M is nothing but still water. Clear? Clear? Clear, guys? Y divided by 2, I will tell by solving the problems. Okay? Done? The formula is only that. You have to divide it by 2. It is nothing but ds plus us divided by 2. Okay? The formula is only that. Now, if they ask ds minus us, now I have to calculate the value of s. For calculating the value of m, you have this formula. Yes or no? Yes or no? Now, for calculating the value of s, what may be the formula? For calculating the value of s, what is the formula? Same thing, ds minus us divided by 2. What is ds? M plus s. Yes or no? Minus of m minus s. So it is nothing but m plus s minus m plus s. M and m gets cancelled. S plus s is 2s. You have by 2 here. Divided by 2, then you will get s. S is nothing but the current speed or the stream speed or the rate of flow. Clear? Done? Online students, done? My dear online students, done? Guys, are you people clear? Shall I start with the topic? Online students, everyone reply. Copy this. Copy this. My dear last bench, last row students, copy it. Shall I clear this? अभी यहाँ से उठ के वहां क्यों चला गया तू? क्यों? क्यों? Done with this? Shall I clear this? So what are the 4 types of speed? In both sense streams? Yusuf, तू पूछ रहा था ना मैम both कब करोगे? Yeah, tell me what only Yusuf will speak. Others who will speak, they are not boys or girls. Middle. Yes, come on, Yusuf. Except Yusuf and me, if others speak. Okay, yeah, Yusuf. Tell, what are the 4 types of speeds? Chandu. Chandu? Yeah, what are the 4 types of speeds? Yusuf. I said 4 types, not 2 types. 4 types of speed. For still water, how will you represent it as? Yes, Yusuf, for still water, how will you represent it as? A. For rate of flow? For downstream? X plus Y, yeah. Okay, done. Upstream? If I want to calculate the value for S, what's the formula? If I want to calculate the value of X, what's the formula? Yusuf. M. Ray, I'm asking for M only. What's the formula to calculate? Upstream plus downstream. Downstream plus upstream. Will you always think in your life in a positive manner or in a negative manner? Both. First you will think negative or positive. So only positive first, okay? Okay, see the first question. A boat goes, should I zoom in? Zoom adla. Is it visible? Yes or no? No. Okay. Okay, it's not visible. For the people who it's visible, they will see. If you cannot, okay. So what is the question saying? Guys, please have some patience. Okay. A boat goes 15 kilometers per hour along with the stream. Along with the stream means, is it downstream or upstream? Downstream. So they have given the value of downstream. Yes or no? What is the value of downstream? Downstream is 15 kilometers per hour. And 7 kilometers against the stream. What do you mean by against the stream? Upstream. So they have given upstream is equals to 7 kilometers per hour. Now they are asking the speed of the boat in still water is. The speed of a boat in still water. Still water is nothing but m is equals to question mark. I gave the formula there. Yes or no? So what is the formula? Downstream plus upstream divided by 2. What is downstream? 15 plus 7 divided by 2. It is nothing but 22. 22, right? So 22 by 2 is nothing but 11 kilometers per hour. So what is the option? Option number 1. Clear? Done? Okay. Second one. The speed of a boat. No, sir. Hey, what is there to wait? Solve, you people only solve. It's direct question. Second one. Lokesh, it's not 8. For which one you are telling 8 kilometers? Second question, huh? Lokesh. Are you telling it for the second question? Okay. Now, they are telling the speed of a boat in upstream is 3 kilometers per hour. So, upstream is 3 kilometers per hour. Okay. And that of in downstream is 5 kilometers per hour. So, can I say downstream is equals to 5 kilometers per hour? For upstream, what is the formula? For upstream, it is nothing but m minus s. For downstream, it is nothing but m plus s. So now they're asking what is the boat speed in still water. So m is equals to question mark. So d is plus us divided by 2. That is nothing but 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 by 2 is 4. So the answer is 4 kilometers per hour. Clear? Ravi? Yeah, third one. Third one. This is not a direct question. The third one is not a direct question. Please observe the question. Please observe the question. A boat goes 16 kilometers downstream. So they have given downstream is equals to 16 kilometers per hour. And what are they saying? And the same direction upstream in 2 hours. So for 1 hour, what is the hey, for 1 hour, what is the time? Sorry, how many for 1 hour, how many kilometers he'll complete? Another 8 kilometers. Heart attack is there. Okay, so can I say upstream is nothing but 8 kilometers per hour? Yes, done. Now you have got downstream and upstream. They're asking the speed of the stream is. So you have to calculate speed of the stream. So you have to calculate S is equals to question mark. What is the formula for S? ds minus us divided by 2. So what is the formula of S? S is nothing but ds minus us divided by 2. 16 minus 8 divided by 2. How much is 16 minus 8? 8. 8 by 2, that is nothing but 4 kilometers per hour. What's the answer? Third one. Yes? Yes or no? Yeah, fourth one. Fourth one is tricky. Yeah, solve the fourth one. Please observe carefully and then solve this. You say fourth one solve करके answer बता मुझे. So they are saying a man can row 8 kilometers in still water. So still water is nothing but m is equals to 8 kilometers per hour. And if the rate of current is 2 kilometers per hour, then they have given the value for S. S is nothing but 2 kilometers per hour. And it takes 1 hour 20 minutes to 1 hour 20 minutes. So if he has rowed to the place means if he is starting from here, first it is downstream. Yes or no? Then place and back. And back it is upstream. So what is the distance? Distance is 1 hour 20 minutes. Yes or no? Yes or no? Then how to calculate this one? They are saying how far is the place. They are telling you to calculate the distance. Yes or no? So what is the formula for time first of all? Time is equals to distance divided by speed. Correct? They are telling you to calculate the what? They are telling you to calculate the distance. Yes or no? Time into speed. Yes. So now, distance is not given. Distance is not given. But you have M and S, no? What is M plus S? First you calculate for downstream, upstream. So now, I will say M plus S plus, for downstream I'm calculating. This is for downstream. Now for upstream means M minus S is equals to what you will write. So if you convert this, how much you'll get? 1 hour 20 minutes. If you convert, can I say you'll get around 1 by 2? Huh? How much you'll get? So I will say that I can convert saying this 1 by 3 hours. Yes? Yes? So now, what is M plus S here? D divided by, what is M plus S? 8 plus 2 is 10. Again plus D divided by M minus S. 8 minus 2 is 6 is equals to, if convert this 3 plus 1, 4, sorry, 3, 4. 4 by 3. So now calculate this. So what's the LCM? 30. 30 is the LCM. Now calculate until till here I have calculated. Now you people calculate the distance for me. How much you'll get? D is nothing but 5 kilometers. Yes or no? How to calculate this? People behind are blinking their eyes. Okay. The LCM is 30, guys. LCM of 10, 6 and 3 is 30. You know how to calculate LCM? Yes or no? Should I calculate? Boys, should I calculate? Yes or no? Yes, okay. Here I'll write. So it is 10, 6, 3, no? Guys, so 2, 5 times, 3 times, 3 times. Then 5, 1, 1. Then 5 ones, 1, 1. 5 threes are 15 twos are, so the LCM is 30. So if you multiply, you will get 30D na. Sorry, 3D, right? Guys, if the LCM is 30, how much you'll get, guys? 3D plus 5D. 3D plus 5D is 3D plus 5D. That is nothing but 8D divided by 30 is equals to 4 by 3. So can I say 3 1 times? 3 10 times. Yes. 4 once, 4 twice. 2 once, 2 5 times. So it is nothing but D by 5 is equals to 1. If you cross multiply, D is equals to 5 kilometers per hour. Clear? Everyone, boys. Narsimha, what happened? Going up. Till where you didn't understand? Starting. Who wants me to tell it from the starting? Ray. Who wants me to tell it from starting? You say. You understood? As I solve kar le. As I explain kar inko. Okay. Guys, see here. They are saying a man can row 8 kilometers per hour in still water. Starting only I have given still water is nothing but m kilometers per hour. So I am taking m is equals to 8 kilometers per hour. Clear till here? Next one they are saying if the rate of current, rate of flow I have given, that is nothing but s. So it is 2 kilometers per hour. Okay. Then if it takes 1 hour 20 minutes to row to the place and back. So what's the distance? Sorry, what's the time taken? 1 hour 20 minutes. Clear till here? Clear till here? Next one, what is they are telling you to how far is the place, means you are supposed to calculate the distance. Yes, sir. So what's the formula for time? X equals to distance speed. What distance means time into speed. Yes or no? Clear till here? Now, according to this only I have calculated. I have not converted anything. According to this only. I don't know the distance. Yes. First calculate for downstream. Then calculate for upstream. Yes or no? In the speed only I have given the formula for downstream. It is nothing but m plus s. Have I written the same thing? Next one, m minus s. That is for your upstream. Yes. And I have converted this 1 hour 20 minutes as 1 by 3 hours. Done. Now, the same thing, m plus s. Same thing, you add, you subtract, then you will get the distance as 5 kilometers. Clear? Narsimha, Abhi, Chandu, Yusuf, Ravi. Okay, done? Guys, done. You didn't understand, no? Akka. Not you, him. Akka. Okay. Online students, are you people getting it? Online students. Okay. Can you please solve the fifth question? Everyone, see the fifth question. Guys, fifth question. Yeah. Can you tell what's the answer for the fifth one? A boat which sails at 12 kilometers per hour in still water. So have they given M here? Yes or no? M is equals to 12 kilometers per hour. Then what are they telling? In still water, and another one sails at 6 kilometers per hour. Yes or no? And C. And another one which sails at 6 kilometers per hour. Yes, that is upstream. Wait, I have not yet said. I am seeing. Wait, in upstream. Yes or no? After how long will it catch up if the stream is flowing at 3 kilometers per hour? How will it catch up if the stream is flowing for 3 kilometers per hour? So what are they telling you to calculate? Time? Yes or no? What's the formula for time? Time is equals to distance by speed. Yes or no? So now, if you observe the question, now let me take it from here. Another one which stays on 6 kilometers per hour. Upstream means like this. Yes or no? That is nothing but 6 kilometers per hour. Yes or no? Then what is it saying? So now tell me, what is the total distance? Total distance it is covering, not distance. How much? So can I say 12 kilometers per hour, and if it catch up in the same stream as flowing up at 3 kilometers per hour. Yes or no? What is 12 plus 3? What is 12 plus 3? 15. Hey, wait. Now they are saying in still water, chasing from 18 kilometers behind. So behind means here only. So this will be 18 kilometers. Yes or no? This will be 18 kilometers, 6 kilometers upstream. And if you observe the next question, in still water, starts chasing from behind for 18 kilometers. So from behind 6 kilometers, you have 18 kilometers. Yes or no? Yes or no? Now they are asking, after how long will it catch up if the stream is flowing at 3 kilometers per hour? So how will you calculate? So what is the total value in, what is M value? In still water. In still water, how much is it? 12. It is, so now, again, this is upstream only. It is already saying, if it catch up, the stream is flowing at 3 kilometers per hour. There is no downstream here. Everything is towards upstream only. Yes or no? So obviously the direction cannot go downwards. Yes or no? Upstream means you will minus it. M minus S. So what is M? 12 minus, if the stream is flowing, stream, if you people go back there, speed of a boat or stream or current or rate of flow is equals to S kilometers per hour. Yes or no? So nothing but M minus S. So how much will I get? 12 minus 3 is nothing but 9 kilometers per hour. Yes or no? Now tell me, what is the difference between these two? What is the difference between this one and this one? 3 kilometers per hour. Yes. Now what are they telling you to calculate? So now you got to know the total hour taken is 3 kilometers per hour. What is the total distance? 18 kilometers. 18 divided by 3 is nothing but, through the time is 6 hours. Clear? What happened, guys? Okay. A boat which sails in 12 kilometers in still water. Okay, 12 kilometers in still water, starts chasing from behind. And now this is See, if you see this, they are not saying first one is in still water. I don't know whether it is still in upstream or downstream. I don't know. Yes or no. And the next one also they have given in still water starts chasing from behind of 18 kilometers from behind. Now also I don't know whether it is upstream or downstream. When you come to the next question, another one which sails at 6 kilometers per hour in the upstream direction. So the first one is upstream direction, that is nothing but 6 kilometers per hour. Yes or no? Now come back to the previous one. If this is 6 kilometers, from behind they are chasing around 18 kilometers. That is already given here. In still water, starts chasing from 18 kilometers behind. Yes or no? Guys, if this is the upstream value is already, where is it? 6 kilometers per hour. Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? From behind, if they're chasing, means it's 18 kilometers per hour. Yes. Now they are saying after how long will it catch up if the stream is flowing at 3 kilometers per hour. So again, behind this, the stream is again flowing towards upwards direction. You here, if you people observe the question, you have only one stream, that is nothing but upstream. Do you have any downstream? Do you have any downstream here? Yes or no? So now you just subtract the total minus this m minus. Yes or no? So then you will get 9 kilometers per hour. Yes or no? Now they are telling if the stream is flowing at 3 kilometers per hour. If the stream is flowing, already they have given it is 3 kilometers per hour. Yes or no? And the difference of these two is also 3 kilometers per hour. You have got the total distance. Yes or no? 18 divided by 3. That is nothing but how much? 6 kilometers per hour. Clear? Clear? Guys, this, okay, you don't want me to write this. Okay, not write this. You will get confused. They have already given 3 kilometers. Yes, total distance minus this distance. Then you will get the time of. Clear? Done. Now clear? Ma'am, why are you taking 3 kilometers per hour? Because they are telling you to calculate only. The stream is flowing at 3 kilometers per hour. How long will it catch up? Yes or no? So only I have got the total distance. I have to calculate for 3 kilometers. How much time is it taking? So 18 divided by 3. 6 kilometers per hour. 6 kilometers per hour. 6 hours. So then the answer is yeah. Done. Any doubt? Varun, any doubt? Any doubt? Guys, you have any doubts? Narsimha, Rahul, see, Nagul. Any doubt? Vasu, yellow ne? Any doubt? Okay, please solve the 6th one. Guys, 6th one, the option is wrong. Please don't see with the option. Forget about the option. Just see how to calculate this. Option is wrong. Guys, they have given in the form of ratio. That's all. The difference is they have given in the form of ratio. The answer you will get 1:1 or 1/1. Guys, please calculate. You say, Chandu, Abhi, calculate. So what value they have given? They have given the upstream value. Yes or no? They have given it as 5/6. Downstream value they have not given. Consider it as 1. Consider it as 1. Guys, downstream value they have not given. So consider it as 1. Yes or no? So then that will be DS is to US. Downstream is to upstream. Then you will get it around 1:5/6. Yes or no? Then they are telling you to calculate what? Find the ratio of the speed of boat in still water. M is equals to question mark. How will you calculate, guys? So what is the formula for downstream? Huh? M plus SR. Sorry, if you have to calculate the value of M, they are telling you to calculate the, see, guys, see here, the speed of a boat in upstream. So what is the value of upstream? Upstream is nothing but 5/6. And that of downstream. Downstream value you don't know. So what I will do, they are telling you to find in the form of ratio. Yes or no? So now I will take downstream is to upstream. Downstream value I don't know. So only I'm taking it as 1. Upstream value they have given. What is upstream value? It is nothing but 5/6. Now what you have to do? Now they are telling you to find the ratio of the speed of boat in still water. So can I say M is question mark? Yes or no? Yes or no? So now if I write like this, what is the formula for upstream? Upstream is nothing but M minus S divided by 2. Yes or no? So let me write it like this. M is to can I write it like this? Can I write it like this? So then I don't know the value of M. So what will you write here? If I don't know the value, what is the formula for M? Same ds plus us divided by 2 is nothing but ds plus us divided by 2. The same thing here. Yes or no? ds plus us divided by 2. If you cancel, what is the ratio I will get? 1:1. Clear? Clear? Boys. My dear boys. Lalima. क्या हुआ? So what are they saying? The speed of a boat in upstream. Okay, 1 second. They're saying the speed of a boat in upstream is equals to how much? 5/6 of ds. I don't know the value of ds. Okay. So they are saying find the ratio of the speed of a boat in still water. So I know M I have to find out, that is not. I don't. So now I will say ds is to us. So can I take value of ds as 1? US is already given 5/6. 5/6. Yes, done. So now they are saying what I have to do now here is still water average speed of the boat and downstream. Okay. So now if you have to calculate the value of M, you have to calculate the value of M only. So M is to, can I write this one as ts plus us divided by 2? Yes or no? What is the value for M? M you will be calculating by ds plus us. I have given the formula for that also. You don't know the value of M, it is ds plus us divided by 2. Yes or no? Now again, what is the value of M? What is the formula for M? It is nothing but ds plus us divided by 2. They are telling you to calculate the ratio between the boat in still water. Just M they want to calculate. They want it in the form of ratio. Again, you already know this one. You already know this one. That is nothing but ds plus us divided by 2. That is what? See, downstream only I have written it as M. So, come here, bacha. Bacha, this one cancel. The ratio.
No need to take this one.
No need. This is just they have given, that's all. See, but here they have not given the value for upstream also. So there's no point in calculating value for downstream. You don't know the value for downstream, take it as 1. Upstream value are given 5 by 6. Okay. Now I want to calculate M value only. So M is to already exactly. Understood? Online students, are you people understanding? Clear with this, online students? Backbenchers, understood? How you got 1:1? Yusuf? What little bit? ये क्या खाना है? Okay, please calculate the 7th one. Soon. Calculate the 7th one. I'll not calculate. You people only calculate. Guys, I heard that sir gave some aptitude test, no? Huh? How many questions sir gave? Lalima, you don't reply. Hey, listen. How many questions sir gave? 62. What were the topics? What all? What all? Did sir give any topics that which I have not covered? Which? Bots was not given. Okay, fine. Apart from that, what were the questions? Paisa. Trains. Apart from that, bull A. Apart from that, directions was given. Calendar. HCF, LCM. Ratio and proportion. Okay, forget about all those. How did you do the test? Worst? Why? 60%? Ish. Can you give me just 1 minute of time, please? For God's sake. 1 minute of time. Only I will talk. You people be silent. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute, I said. Ditesh. ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಕೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಯಾರು ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಡಿ I should not listen to this murmur sound. Please be silent for 1 minute. 1 minute. Don't giggle. Don't giggle. Shh. Let the fan be. 1 minute. Wait. Wait. How did you people perform? Good. Nice. When I mean, was it like you have to solve, or was it like ticky? Obviously, options should be given. I said that, did you people solve it in the paper and you submitted that paper to sir? No, you people have the paper which you have solved? No, ma'am. Gave to Bonda Bhaji paper. Dustbin. So you people, okay, other than the topics which I didn't cover, other topics you all did, yes, sir? Do you have those questions? You people have those questions? Share it to me. We'll discuss it. I will not discuss. Why should I discuss? I have taught you people. I will ask the answers to you. You people tell it to me. Clear? Okay, now solve the 7th one. There's no time up. Inna 4 ನಿಮಿಷ ಇದೆ ಮಾಡು. Yes. 7th one. Solve the 7th one, guys. Time is not up. You have still 4 minutes. Do soon. No homework, which you people will never do. Yes, come on. What is the answer for 7th one? Everyone. Option 24/3. Yeah, it's correct. 2 hours 40/3 minutes. It's correct. Who said option 2? Google. Ditesh. ನಿಜಾಡ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ? ಗೂಗಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ದ? ಏನು ಪ್ರಿಡಿಕ್ಷನ್? ಇದೇನು ಅಸ್ಟ್ರಾಲಜಿನ ಪ್ರಿಡಿಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಗೂಗಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಕೂತಿದ್ಯಾ? ಮತ್ತಲ್ಲೇನೋ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಾ? ಯಾವ್ದನಾ? ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರಾ? ಹಾ. Yes, please solve the 7th one. The people who solve first, I'll gift them something very special, precious. ಅಣ್ಣ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. इतना ओवर एक्टिंग मत कर जैसे कि तुझे सब आता है, ठीक है? अभी हो गया? सॉल्व कर. Unless and until you people don't solve this question, I'm not sending you people out. Remember that. I am not going out. Huh? Okay, guys, 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th problem. I will share the PDF with the groups. ಬೇಡವಾ ಆಯ್ತು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. Solve. Okay, at least solve this one question. No. No, time is up. Come on, solve soon. Guys, solve soon and go. What's your name, ma? What's your name? You didn't come to classes, sir? Online you attended? No. Then how will you complete the portion? Portions, how will you complete? Huh? YouTube. When is your project submission? Friday night or morning? Night. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. What happened, Nikita? You understood? Okay. Okay, if your people are done scanning your attendance, you can leave for the day. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. And Friday, your project should be submitted. And tomorrow, 7, 8, 9, 10 questions should be solved. I will stand there. You people show your classwork. Tomorrow, I will check your aptitude notes with your CSS and HTML notes. Also, if you people have completed, then only I let you in. Otherwise, like that only go outside. Clear? Okay, guys, you can leave for the day. Thank you so much. Bye.